So sometimes on a project, you have to start left to go right. In other words, for what we're getting ready to do, we had to remove this door stop. And I just wanted to share with you a tool that you may not be aware of. This is a pretty simple deal, but it's this little pry bar. It's a very flat pry bar. It has a pretty sharp end. This actually works great as a putty knife. You probably could even use this as a screwdriver. But what I want to do is show you how easy it is to remove this piece of door stop with this little flat pry bar. First thing I want to say is, a lot of times if your painter's any good at all, they caulked everything. So this is also a common tool you need to use when you do this kind of demo. We cut the caulk joint on either side, and then I'm just going to take this, get it down about like that, and I can actually just take down, hook that like so. And this works great too if you're pulling baseboard or anything. These actually used to be called hive tools, but it's just a little flat pry bar that you get almost any place that tools are sold, and they're probably anywhere from 8, 10, 12 bucks, maybe 14 or 15, but they are worth their weight in gold, and they've even got a placer for pulling nails. But for me, it's just great for pulling any kind of trim with the least amount of damage.